Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Prakriti and this is my first ever YouTube video. Alright, so I shared a picture of my hair on Instagram a few days back and I got so many requests to share how I made my hair length longer, and finally, after so much procrastination, I'm here to share my hair growth journey with you all. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Guys, trust me, this is the most effective way to grow your edges fuller. So my plans are not to use it on my face but my hairline once a week. I think it's a good idea to start at 0.25, and the one that I have is Bronzing Professional from Nykaa. And the most important part, do make sure to sanitize it before and after using. Moving on to my most favorite remedy. For a coffee lover as I am, I need coffee in everything. My beverages, my dessert, and now my hair. Little did you know that coffee promotes hair growth and shiny locks too. Take 1 tablespoon of coffee powder, 1 egg, mix it well, make it into a paste and apply it all over your scalp and hair and let it sit for 20-25 minutes before you wash it off with a mild shampoo. So do give it a try and don't forget to add coffee because you don't want to go around smelling like a big tray of rotten eggs. I know, you must have heard it many a times, but here I am saying it again. Please listen to your mothers and oil your hair once a week. So there are two ways I oil my hair. Number one, either I will just coat my hair in the oil of my choice, which is mostly coconut, but you can do any as long as it's organic. And in this case, I recommend not to leave the oil on for more than 2-3 hours, as oil attracts a lot of dirt and dust, causing a lot of damage and breakage to your hair. So just be careful, please. Number two is gradual oiling, and this is what I've been doing lately, and it's perfect for the quarantine time. So basically, I put a little bit of oil through my ends every single day, just the smallest amount so that my hair doesn't look greasy. I just keep doing that every single day until I have to shower or shoot a video for you all. So that way, my hair has always been nourished by these oils. If you're not getting enough nutrients from your diet, supplements can really increase your low levels and overall health of your hair. While the supplements provide the nutrients that your body lacks, if you're already on medication, a doctor's advice is a must. One of the best known vitamin for hair is B vitamin, which is also called biotin, and the tablet that I use is Folly Hair. You could also use Eva depending on your hair condition. Alright, so moving on to the last and most relaxing technique. This method is said to help you grow your hair an extra inch or 2 per month. All you have to do is hang your head upside down for 2-3 minutes in a posture comfortable to you. Some methods even suggest doing a headstand or a handstand, which I definitely cannot. So all the pros out there, do the headstand. All the easygoing girls like me, do the inversion. Alright, that was it. If you enjoyed my video and found it useful, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below any questions you have or what you wish to see next. Subscribe to my channel, turn the bell notifications on, and follow me on Instagram. Thank you for watching, guys. Stay safe and I'll see you next time. Bye.